Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from PeEll WA Creations, and I'm here today to open some Happy Mail I got. And before I get started, I'd like to thank all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. I greatly appreciate you joining my journey here on YouTube. So I got two Happy Mails, and I got one from Melody Made. I will link her channel down below. Please go check her out. She's awesome. She does a great job on her work. She does journaling, tassels, junk journaling, collages, mixed media, jelly plating. She does it all. She's an awesome artist. So please go check her out. And I wanted to show you the front of the envelope she did here. Isn't that fabulous? Summery theme. It is so darn cute. And then look at these stamps that she has on there. She sewed it, and it is so pretty. So let's get started. I love how she has this in a pocket. So I'm excited. Let's see. I got some teas, so I'm definitely excited about that. So let's check out these teas real quick. We got wild raspberry herbal tea. We have honey lemon ginseng. And we have lemon ginger sharpness herbal tea. And they're all caffeine free, which I love. So I'm going to save one of these for Tea Tuesday, which I'll have to pick which one and see which one I want. And then she sent me this. Says, thank you for your friendship. Big hugs, Melody. I love that. And I'm going to, she was asking for a mail tag. So let's see. I sent her one back. And it's a little bit of info about yourself. So kind of like, what do you call that? Hang on. Sorry, guys. My camera's acting. So, mail tag. It's a little bit of information about you. Basically, questions about yourself, you know, your style, crafts, you know, and then you send it back. And so I'm looking forward to sending that back to her. And so her favorite quote is, she thought she could see she did. And how long have you been on YouTube? As a creator, 3 years. So her birthday's in June. Oh no, her date she wrote this was in June. Her birthday is in February, and she's in Oregon. And how often do you craft? 5 to 6 days a week, 3 to 8 hours a day. Wow. Favorite creative activity, glue books, shabby chic, grunge, and pale pink is her favorite color. What did you want to do when you grew up? A wife and a mother. And what was your favorite job? Floor designer for Michaels. How cool is that? So yeah, I can't wait to fill one of these out for her, and I'll be sending her one. And I'll probably send her some tea flavors as well. So this is exciting. I can't wait to do mine and send it to her. I thought this was a great idea. Let me pull you there. How awesome. So I'm going to find a something to put these in, and that. And I'm going to probably add this envelope to something that she has. Oh, and so her Instagram is Melody Made. Her YouTube is Melody Made. She loves being crafty from maternal. I learned to love being crafty from my maternal grandmother. That's so sweet. She has a large family. So I will link her channel down below in the description box, so you can go check her out. And yeah, this is fun. She has, like I said, an Instagram. and everything else. So that's exciting. Can't wait to do this. You know, to send to her. So anyway, yeah. So how exciting. Thank you so much, Melody, for sending me this. I can't wait to send you mine. And I'm going to drink one of these teas also. And so this was a surprise. I got this from Cindy Noll. She's just a subscriber of mine. I don't think she has content right now, but I was not expecting this. So let's see what me. Thank you again, Melody. And it says, hope you like everything I sent. God bless, Cindy. And look at this. It says, positive vibes only. That's so cute. Oh, I love the tissue paper. I always use that. Oh, look at the goodies. First of all, look at this. Isn't that cute? And then, oh, she made a, she altered a book. Oh, how cool is that? That's beautiful. Wow. I've always wanted to do that, but I never had the chance to. That is beautiful. That is so pretty. I love the paper. And this is a magnet bookmark, and you can just click it on there. So, yeah, it's beautiful. Look at the lace on it. Thank you so much. And this is a tag she made. It said, thank you for the special things you do. Aww. And she has that, and it has the twine on it. Very nice. And then, ooh, some pre-made envelopes. So she has some of this eyelash trim on it. And she's got envelopes with cards. You know, these are always handy. And I love that. So, let's see here. Oh, I see. She made these pre-made cards. How adorable. Aww. Thank you so much, Cindy. And then this is Inspire, Dream, and Create. And it's a magnet. Look at the beautifulness she did. All these little beautiful cards. This is so, so nice. I could send this in Happymail, and I'll just put that you designed these. Thank you so very much. Look at this beautiful thing. I absolutely love it, and I will cherish it. It's beautiful. I've always wanted to, like I said, alter a book, a notebook. Okay, everyone. So that is my Happymail from Melody Maid and Cindy Ann. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the world to me. And I hope you guys continue sticking with me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to all so you can see more of my videos. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless.